Today I will discuss which type of anesthetic solution is recommendable in which type of clinical situation in routine dental practice. Here I will describe 4 different choices of anesthetic solution recommendable under specific circumstances, namely 2% lidocaine, 3% mepivacaine, 0.5% bupivacaine and 4% articaine. So let us start from lidocaine. 2% lidocaine with 1:50,000 epinephrine dilution is most commonly used anesthesia for intraoral and extraoral injections. Its efficacy is very good. It is even good for maxillary infiltration and conduction nerve blocks. You can also use it for PDL block, and it is also safe to be used during pregnancy. The second choice is injection mepivacaine, 3% plain. It is good for injection around an abscess due to its higher pH. Therefore, it is a good substitute of xylocaine in case the soft tissue is highly inflamed. It is best anesthesia for patients with heart conditions where limited epinephrine is recommended. The third anesthetic drug of choice is articaine. 4% articaine with a dilution of 1:1 lakh epinephrine has a great ability to diffuse, which makes it more optimal for mandibular infiltrations. It can be used for inferior alveolar nerve block, but there is a caution. Do not use articaine in patients with a history of high risk of paresthesia. The fourth drug of choice is bupivacaine. 0.5% bupivacaine with 1:2 lakh epinephrine dilution is a drug of choice. It is great for use before and after extractions or other bone surgery to help with post-operative pain management of patient due to its long duration of action.